Welcome to G-Week Cloud Channel. Upon receiving your machine, check if the package is damaged or broken. If the appearance is intact, use a blade to cut open the packaging box. Hold the straps with both hands and remove the device from the box. Remove the straps. Take out the instruction manual and materials kit. Remove the top layer of protective foam. Continue to remove the second layer of foam. Take out the laser box from the bottom layer of foam. Then take out the main body. Lift the protective cover from both sides simultaneously with both hands. Remove the foam inside. Pull down the second layer of foam and remove it. Push the head protective foam down from the back of the protective cover. Remove it from the bottom. Take out all accessories from the internal foam. Materials list: smoke exhaust fan, smoke exhaust pipe, cutting slats, lifting button, power cord, USB cable, DP type date cable, USB flash drive, material package, toolbox, test marking card, USB manual. Open the toolbox. Take out the handle. Use a hex wrench to install the handle onto the protective cover. Connect the fan's inlet directly to the machine's exhaust outlet. Take out the duct. Insert one end of the duct into the fan's exhaust outlet. Place the other end of the duct outside the window. Plug in the fan's power cord and turn on the power. Use the wireless remote control button to turn the fan on and off. Each port has been labeled with a corresponding name for easy recognition. Take out the power cord. Plug one end of the power cord into the power cable socket on the laser box. Plug the other end into the power strip. Take out the USB cable. Connect the USB-B port to the computer connection port on the laser box. Connect the other end USB to the computer. Take out the Z-axis lift cable. Plug one end of the lift cable into the lift power cable port on the laser box. Plug the other end into the lift power cable port on the device. Take out the up or down button. Plug the USB Type-C cable end into the manual lift port on the laser box. Remove the field lens cover. Release the emergency stop button. Press the power button. Insert the USB flash drive that came with the machine. Back up the software from the USB flash drive to your computer. After the backup is complete, open the software's location and double-click to open the G-Laser folder. Find the driver and double-click it. In the pop-up window, click Next. And follow the prompts to click Agree, Install, wait for the installation to complete. Click Finish. The installation is complete. Find the software icon. Right-click and create a shortcut on your desktop for easy access next time. In Settings, click Device Information Settings. Select Vision Accessories under Accessories and click Settings. In Camera Options, select Device Camera. Allow the software to use the camera and click OK. In Settings, click Parameter Options and select Read Parameters. After the process is complete, a new message will pop up. Parameter reading successful. The software needs to be restarted. Click New. Open the settings in the upper left corner of the software. Click Advanced. Click Area. Replace the RAID and blue laser correction files. The correction file replacement is almost complete. Now you can begin your endless creative work in the G3 software. Check the G Week Cloud YouTube channel for more tutorials.